Good evening. At the top, the trial of a former Valley District judge is underway. Day one wrapped up just before 5 o'clock.
Yeah, Rudy Delgado facing several charges, including bribery. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez was in the courtroom today and shares what the jury heard.
The prosecution says the jury would hear a different side of Judge Delgado in trial. Delgado's attorneys attacked the character of the witness for the prosecution. Today, the jury heard opening statements from the prosecution and defendant's legal teams. The government's attorneys then called their main witness to the stand, Noe Perez. He's a local criminal defense attorney who worked with Delgado. Perez was a custodian for over a decade before becoming a probation officer and then an attorney. He began his work as an informant in 2016 after the FBI contacted him and questioned him. During several recordings, the judge and Perez are heard discussing the purchasing of wood. The prosecution said that wood was code for a judicial favor. Delgado's attorneys said it referred to the actual purchasing of mesquite wood from the judge's ranch. In several recordings, Perez suggests he needs help in a case. Delgado is then heard asking for details about the case and the defendant. In one recording, Delgado tells Perez, quote, "I can do better than that for you. I can cut him loose," end quote. Judge Delgado remained alert, engaged, and even wrote down notes during the trial. He kept his composure during the multiple recordings shared with the jurors. He noticeably shifted in his seat and had a drink of water when a recording was shared of him discussing women's roles in a romantic relationship. The trial resumes after the holiday on Monday. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.